welcome back to Path to Wellness. I'm Miriam, and today I have a Young Living unboxing for you. So I'm really excited about this one. Anyway, I ended up doing a rather big order again, partly because Young Living sometimes will go out of stock of certain things, and because of the Ningxia Red challenge I'm making, I don't want to run out of Ningxia Red. And also I know a bunch of other people are doing the challenge, so I don't think Young Living has run out of Ningxia Red, but I just wanted to make sure they didn't run out of the Essential Rewards Ningxia Red kit that I order because it's such a good deal. So the first thing is the Ningxia Red kit, and if you've been watching my hauls, you'll know it comes with a box of 30 pouches plus 4 big bottles of Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red is an antioxidant drink that has the Ningxia wolfberry in it. It's just amazing. It really helps boost my energy, and it's delicious too. I got more Super B. I love this. This helps promote energy, healthy energy levels, and overall B vitamins are super good for your health, and I talked about it a lot last month. So I order those every month. I also ordered 2 bottles of multigreens. This is the challenge for next month, July, is to take multigreens every day with the Ningxia Red. So I'm going to be taking 4 capsules every day so I want to make sure I had enough to take 4 bottles every day. I do take multigreens once in a while, but like now I've been taking like 1 pill in the morning and 1 in the evening, but it's going to be interesting to increase it and to see how that helps. I got the Mountain Mint deodorant. This is for my husband. I got this before and I noticed that this is like the new labeling. So anyway, it has clove, peppermint, eucalyptus, and other essential oils in it. And there's no synthetic fragrances, and there's no aluminum in this. So it's a really good, healthy deodorant. This is working well for my husband, and his last thing it lasts him a long time. Now, I don't think he puts on deodorant every day, especially in the winter. Like, we hardly sweat around here because it's so cold. But I know with summer, he will need to use this a lot. I'm getting my little pile of free stuff going. I'm just gonna leave the Ningxia Red in the box right there. All the wonderful freebies I got for ordering the supplements, the deodorant, and the Ningxia Red. Was excited about this one. Northern Lights Black Spruce. I got this as a freebie last year, and of course I've used it up a long time ago. I just love it. It's one of my favorite oils. And so I will definitely be diffusing this and using it topically as well. Another oil that I also got last year was citronella. And now, to be honest, I did not use citronella. The bottle is still unopened, but partly because I'm saving it. It's a great one to diffuse on your patio, to just enjoy the outdoors, annoyance-free, and it just is great for, there's also some other good health benefits to it. You can use it topically. But anyway, I got this as a freebie. I'm excited about using that this summer. And next one is lime. I am out of my lime, and so when I noticed that this was a freebie, I was super excited to get this for free. We love using Lime Vitality. That's a white label one. We like using that in cooking. And this one, I love diffusing. It smells just like cutting open a fresh lime. And so it's delicious smelling. I got peppermint cedarwood soap. So I've never used bar soap from Young Living. So I'm super excited to try this one out. Wow, you can smell it through the plastic. The peppermint, it looks really nice. You can see that the bar doesn't have any dyes in it, which is great because I'm trying to eliminate dyes. So I like that this is dye-free. It's no fragrances, no parabens. So it's formulated with 100% vegetable base and naturally derived ingredients. So that sounds really nice. Oh, I love peppermint. I'm using like a peppermint body wash right now. And so I know that this will be great to use after that. This is a moisturizing soap. So I'm very interested in letting you know how this works. Next, I got Ningxia Nitro. Now, I have not tried Ningxia Nitro, and partly because I don't really do energy shots or coffee or other forms of caffeine. This does have some caffeine in it. I figured that I really don't need it, except lately I feel like this would be helpful. So I'm excited. This has lots of B vitamins in it, and it has green tea leaf extract. So that's where the caffeine is from, and the energy is also from the B vitamins. So this has the Ningxia wolfberry in it, and it's even has chocolate in here, vanilla chocolate. It has, oh, it sounds so good. Anyway, it's full of essential oils and yumminess and energy, and I've heard great things from a lot of people talking about how this really helps them with their 3 o'clock slump. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna try this, definitely. And then last, I got a pair of Ningxia Red socks, which are kind of funny. So anyway, I'm gonna open these up and show you. Okay, I have to like cut them. But anyway, I got an email saying they printed the print the wrong way or upside down. So it says Nitro, it says Ningxia Nitro on the ankles, and the socks are, okay, I see. It's supposed to be like on the foot, it says, bring Ningxia Nitro if you can read this. Like, bring Ningxia Nitro if you can read this. But it's upside down on the socks, if that makes sense. It's supposed to be like if you're sitting with your feet propped up, that people can see it on the bottoms of your feet. But people won't be able to bring Ningxia Nitro because they won't be able to read these socks. So anyway, Young Living said that they would send new socks with the correct printing on them. So basically I have 2 pairs of Ningxia socks, which I think is pretty cool because if these fit me and they're not way too big, then I'm going to be wearing them just as regular socks. And if they're way too big, I'll probably just wear them as slipper socks around the house. So I have small feet. Anyway, that is my order from Young Living for this month, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and comment below about what your favorite products are and which of these products you have tried. Did you get free Ningxia Nitro socks this month? Bye.